Good morning. My name is Rob Cathell. I'm with an organization called Proxima Clinical Research, and we're a CRO that's transforming approaches to development in a smarter way for drugs, devices, and diagnostics. I wanted to start our discussion this morning with a quote from Albert Einstein. The important thing is to never stop questioning. I think as innovators, whether you're an investor, a sponsor company that's here, we're all here because we were questioning. And so curiosity has its own reason for existing. So before I tell you about us and our organization, I really want to tell you about our culture. And part of the reason is cause is at the heart of our culture. Cause is something that we all focus on in this space, but we each take our own unique spin on it. So we're customer-centric. As a service provider and more importantly, a partner for programs, we have to be, but we also share accountability in that. Our big focus is shared challenges as well as shared successes, whether that's in regulatory, clinical trials, or quality and quality management system development. And so your success is a partnership, and that's shared in all aspects. And the last one there is interesting. It's excellence. And I define that as fit for purpose in the solution that we put forward for your development initiatives. No protocol is the same. No regulatory submission is the same. No meeting with the FDA is the same. And so we really tend to focus on delivering excellence in a fit for purpose way. So a little bit about us. We're Proxima CRO. We're based in Houston, Texas. We're the new kid on the block in terms of CROs that are out there today. We were founded in 2017. We have a team of 30 SMEs that's split approximately half in our regulatory and quality group, as well as half in our clinical trial division. And so our approach is simple. Full service partnerships built on transparency, stability, and shared success. In terms of our experience, although we're just under 8 years young, we have 40-plus clinical trials in drugs, devices, and diagnostics. We've used over 200 sites across 30 therapeutic areas. In terms of our main therapeutic focus, we really are focusing on oncology, neurology, and cardiovascular indications. And then, so looking at our regulatory and quality group that we have here, we have over 40 market submissions, which entails 510Ks, PMAs, and de novos, along with over 200 Q submissions. So your pre-subs, your breakthrough device designation, things like that. And then quality management systems, that's something that as sponsors tend to get in development, it's a balance of all three, which is why we have the diagram presented here. And we've done over 120 QMS engagements in various scope. That could be roadmap development, that could be general consulting, that could be writing the SOPs, finding a system that works for you, to really bring a encompassing approach to your initiatives. And so these are some common challenges. The big things here to focus are global market considerations, considering how the landscape has changed, as well as clinical development and teeing up your trial. So our approach is easy. We can have a man in plant acting as an extension of your team for quality-related matters. We can be an advisor and consult you on general or strategic initiatives. We can develop your roadmap, and we can also select your system. Our approach to regulatory affairs is relatively the same following that. We can do letters of support for grants. We've seen a lot of that given the current environment that we're in. And we also have an efficient in-house medical writing team with proven experience in complex therapeutic areas. So that could be your synopsis development, that could be your protocol development, things of that nature. Regarding our clinical group, we have access to sites, as you've seen. We have a team of project managers who have over 28 years experience just in their project management function. And then we take a data-driven approach for risk management and mitigation tools that we bring to your trial. And so how can we change the approach for a CRO to be smarter for you? Our size. We bring new data and team chemistries. We have trusted sites and PIs that you can meet that would participate in your study. And at the end of the day, we really encourage you to weigh out multiple scenarios with us. Given our size and our flexibility, we're able to give you a scenario for running a trial in the US, we're able to give you a scenario for running a trial in Europe. If you wanted to do one in Australia, we could do that as well. So thank you very much for your time.